Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, June the 11th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room. And I open the room between 9 a.m. Well, let's do it again. Monday to Friday, I am open between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. Wow. Well, here's the SPY, guys. The SPY, this is a big gap down. You can't see it, but that was a big gap down in the pre-market, and it is continuing down as we speak. The Dow is down 1,400 points. SPY is getting closer to that 300 level. The 300 level is the 200-day moving average. So see what happens today. And so you would have thought, well, what could you possibly have gone long in? Well, let's take a look. Now, this is not one that I actually was able to take, but I did want to show it to you because this was an AI alert. I wanted to show it because of the stop, mainly because of the stop. And this is kind of one of the new stops that we're trying to put in place. Now, I'm not saying that this was an easy trade, okay? The alert was at 788 right there on that candle. At one point, that stock got down to 740, and it looked like who knows where it might have gone, okay? Before it just absolutely took off. This is a 15-minute candle, straight up on that 15, basically to 1540, okay? So for those of you who could stomach that, because you never know. I mean, that could have led to all this too. You just don't know. But the interesting thing is, look where the stop was. It was at 558 from 788. So that's a wide stop, meaning that you could not take as, you're going to risk the same amount per trade, you're not going to be able to take that many shares. But of course, if a stock goes from 788 and basically almost doubles, then it, doesn't matter that much. But we are experimenting with new types of stops so that we don't get stopped out so much, especially on the wild ones. And obviously in this particular version of that stop, that worked. This one it didn't. The stop 280 and it was 257 and it got stopped out. But anyway, I just thought I'd bring that to your attention. There were people in the room that took this trade, but this is the one that I think most of us are very excited about, is Celdex. Now, this just before I started this, this was up at 8. I'm just about out everything right now. But if you're in the trading room yesterday, you know that I traded this also yesterday, Celdex, right in here, and this was a tremendous trade for a lot of us in the room. So I didn't hold it overnight or anything like that. But then it started getting going again right there. Okay, this is, what time is this? About 10:30. I ended up taking the trade again at 510, but I traded myself out of it for an average of about 526. This candle kind of got me, wasn't that candle specifically. It got up to 540. I traded some out here, and then on the way down. So my average was about, about 529, I think. But then I got back into the trade right here at 542, and look what it did. I did trade some out here at 7, just under 7, and I've traded some out just under 8 in case it couldn't take out the whole number, and now I'm out completely. Okay, but what a tremendous run. And on a day where the market is down 1,500 points, this is your classic alpha stock. This stock doesn't care what the rest of the market's doing. It's on a mission of its own, and that's what we're always trying to find. And Trade Ideas does a fantastic job finding stocks like this. Many people in the room traded that one. Another one that I did trade was Isaiah. Same sort of thing. Now now very choppy, this one though, very choppy. And I got into this one. One of our posters in the room in trade was talking about this. We kind of got a little back and forth about it, okay? But it's all good now. And I ended up taking this trade at 251, and I traded out at 273, and then down here. Didn't get back into it. I thought I might take it on. I have some alerts set up here. Actually, I got out at 282. These getting mixed up on the yeah. I got out at 282, and these are some of the other areas I was thinking of getting back in 3, but I just didn't have the same feeling I did about that I have about this one as I had about the sell deck, so I didn't do it. And yeah, I mean that is just a an unbelievable day. I'm looking at my watch list also, and ooh, in fact, this just triggered. So there's Wafu at 12:51. Yeah, we're having oh, wait a minute, I don't have my symbol linking. So Wafu is going to change. Okay, at 12:51. Okay, so yeah, it got up to 15:48. So it was on. It was on that candle. It was on this candle here. Okay, Isaiah at 2:48. There's the alert right there. And you know, obviously, I mean, tough to hold on completely because of how whippy it was. I had high hopes actually for this one. Yeah, this didn't do it. The alert was at 8:16. I mean, it got up to 8:50, so that's not terrible. This had on the surface a tremendous press release that I saw on the pre-market, but really didn't you know, keep doing anything. This was also, I should have pointed this out, I actually did short this one, Unfi, early, and unfortunately I'm still not in it. You know, I was kind of scalp mode early on in the day, and so I what did I get in at 1687, and I got out at 1655 and 1677, and I was thinking of getting back in on this break here, and I just kind of lost sight of it. Expert at 1230, yeah, it just had a tough time breaking 12, but not bad. I mean, 1230 down to 12. Duluth, I don't think did anything. Yeah, it's just kind of hanging around the area. 2436 for this one. Looking at the shorts here, we're having okay, it's underneath 23 or 24, so not bad. Tupperware, 410. Yeah, it didn't do anything. Coal, it's a bank, 2629. 2629. Yeah, it got down to underneath 26. I don't think Cloudera has moved. 1119. Yeah, not really. Atro, 1034. A little bit. This is the latest one, 1252. Cut down to 1234. So, you know, not bad from the watch list, both on the long side and the short side, but definitely the sell decks. I think for a lot of people in the room, that's the only trade you really needed. I mean, that was just a tremendous, tremendous trade. So I want to get back into the room and see if there's anything else that's going to happen that's going to be interesting for the balance of the day. Right now it's about 1:15, so we're back to the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is the link for the free trading room, and I will open it tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.